to my channel, and it's a new tutorial. So I've been searching through the internet, and I found out there's this error, which actually on my own also I found this error in Android Studio. And so if you're wondering about this error, NDK version is on no to Android Studio. um, so you're at the right place. So I corrected this error mistakenly, and so I'm just going to show you how you can also bypass this Android Studio error. So first thing we need to do is that we know NDK is actually the native development kit used by Android Studio. And so if you most of the people who have this error, like me, we updated our Android Studio, and so then the NDK could not was not updated alongside with Android Studio, so which is the source of our error. So if you want to correct this error, actually this code here, this program here is a native program, a C++ program here, using the NDK actually. So when I use the NDK, I saw an error saying and NDK version unknown to Android. And so what I did was I went to tools, and SDK manager, and down to SDK tools, no, SDK platforms. If you check under the list, you'll find, so this is where you update any other API you're using in Android Studio. This is where you update them. So you go under the SDK tools, and you'll find NDK, which is this we are having here. So for you, because you have not corrected this error, beside the NDK, in this checkbox, you actually see a line, or let me say just like this, like this one you're seeing here. When if you check at the right side of it, you are having updates available, so which means we are having an update for this Google Play Instant Development SDK. So but for the NDK, you will also see the same thing as this in the checkbox, so which means you need to update the NDK version to the version that is current. So if you click on, actually let's guess if this is the NDK, and if you choose this and you click OK, then everything will start updating. The actual API you choose will start updating. So if I choose the NDK, which was not updated, and version was unknown to Android Studio, and if you choose that and you click OK, it will start updating automatically. And also you could also update the NDK side by side. Also you'll find it up here, anywhere around. So you choose, maybe you choose the two, so you choose the two and you click on OK. So of the API will update, and so after updating, you click done and you click apply. So because I've done so for my program, I don't need to do that again. So after clicking apply, you click cancel here, and if you run your program again, Android Studio will actually correct the version of the NDK. So when I run the program again, this is what I saw: NDK resolution, outcome, project settings, Gradle model version 5.4.1, and NDK version 20.0555.94570, and which is the current version at this time of this video. And so you may have another version which is higher from my own version. So when you run your program will run successfully, and there will be no error about NDK being unknown to Android Studio. So see, but for me, I'm having an update of Android Studio, which I can click on from here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button.